welcome back to our channel Language Learners. Today we will learn about simple 6 tips of adjective degree of comparison which will be helpful to you people to solve it in the easiest way. So let's begin with adjective DOC degree of comparison. First we will learn what is adjective. Adjective means a word which modifies a noun or a pronoun. Adjective are the words which modifies a noun or a pronoun. For example, if you had an apple and it tastes just sweet, so you will say that the apple was very sweet. So that sweet is the quality की apple बहुत ही मीठा है. So DOC degree of comparison have 3 forms: positive, comparative and the superlative. Positive form में there is no comparison. No one is going to compare in the positive form. For example, Reshma is a tall girl. Reshma is a tall girl. That's enough. वो उसकी खासियत है कि वो लंबी है. And second is the comparative. In comparative, there is comparison between two people, two things. Sonal is taller than Reshma. That is comparison between Sonal and the Reshma, and Sonal is taller than Reshma. Third is superlative degree. In superlative degree, there is comparison among more than two. It may be 3, 4, 500, 500,000. Here, Kavita is the tallest girl in the whole class. This is the class, and in this class, Kavita is the tallest one. So friends, now you have the clear-cut idea of what is positive, comparative and the superlative. Now let's solve this for the practice. Mount Everest is the dash mountain peak. Here are the options. Mount Everest is the high mountain peak. Shall I write here high or no? No, because in the degree we have to add something at the end of the word and then we have to write that word over here. So friends, what to add at the end of the word, how to add and when to add, we will learn this first. So here 3 plus 3 tips. The first step is positive degree. In positive degree there is no keyword. The second is comparative degree. In comparative degree, the keyword is then, THAN, then, and the placement is after blank. Then will be always after the blank. For example, Sonal is taller than Reshma. So taller than, after the taller there is then, THAN, then. The third is superlative degree. In superlative, the keyword is THE, the, and the placement is before blank. It will be always before the blank only. For example, Kavita is the tallest girl in the class. So, you all are clear with this? So friends, I have drawn here a table. The first is syllable, then the comparative degree, then the superlative degree. If you don't know about the syllable, let us first study what is syllable. Syllable is a unit of pronunciation. Means when you pronounce a sound, what is the unit in that word? For example, if there is one syllable, it is called monosyllabic. If there are 2 syllables in a word, it is called bisyllabic. And if there are 3 syllables in the word, it is called trisyllabic. See the example first, monosyllabic, dog. Directly I am saying dog. Mat, cat, bat. In bisyllabic, napkin, nap and then kin. Water. In the trisyllabic, tomato, umbrella. I have thrice divided the word tomato, umbrella. So this is called the syllable. Now again come over here. In comparative degree, if the word is with one syllable, in comparative degree we have to add ER at the end. If we have to add the superlative, we will add EST. If the word is having 2 syllables, we will add IER, and in superlative IEST. And if the word is having 3 syllables, then in comparative we will add more, and in the superlative we will add most. But these two words, more and most, will be not added at the end of the word but at the beginning of the word. So now let's go back for practicing. So the first one is here. Mount Everest is the. Before blank there is the. So it is a superlative sentence, superlative degree sentence. So here the word is high. High, only one syllable is there. So one syllable and the superlative sentence. What I am going to add at the end? EST. Means Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak. Got it? Now come to the second one. Your bag is dash then mine. Blank is there and after blank there is THAN then. Blank के बाद then दिया है, यानी ये comparative degree का है. So in comparative degree it is there. Let's first see the options. What will be there? Heavy. Your bag is heavy than mine. No. Heavy. Two syllable. Ha and V. So two syllable are there. Comparative. So what I'm going to add? IER. Why I? Because at the end of the word letter is I. Y. So I will cut down the Y and I will write it over here I and the ER. Your bag is heavier than mine. The third one. Health is dash than money. Again comparative. पहले blank है then THAN then लिखा है. Important. See the syllable. Important. Three syllable. Three syllable comparative. I will add more. Health is more important than money. Fourth one. My new laptop is dash than my old one. Good. My new laptop is good than my old one. So good then is there. तो comparative होगा. So we will write here gooder or gooder will be the no. Why? Because good comes in the irregular degrees. Good और ऐसे बहुत सारे वर्ड्स होते हैं जिसमें ER या EST नहीं ऐड करना होता है, उनका वर्ड ही अलग हो जाता है. तो फॉर गुड द कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म इज बेटर एंड द सुपरलेटिव फॉर्म इज बेस्ट. सो हियर द sentence is in comparative degree. So my new laptop is better than my old one. Now the next. The Great Dane is the dash breed of dog. The Great Dane is the. Blank के पहले the is given. So in the big. Big. Only one syllable. One syllable. Superlative degree EST. So the Great Dane is the biggest breed of dog. And the last one is she told me dash story. यहाँ पे तो ना ही the दिया है ना ही then दिया है. So shall I write only interesting? मैं सिर्फ interesting लिख दूँ. She told me interesting story. No. If मुझे सिर्फ इंटरेस्टिंग लिखना हो तो यहाँ पे एन लिखना पड़ेगा. She told me an interesting story. या क्वेश्चन में ऑलरेडी लिखा हुआ होगा. It means here something is missing. She told me the most interesting story आएगा because interesting three syllable superlative degree most. Now you will feel कि आपने यहाँ पे superlative degree ही क्यों लिया, comparative क्यों नहीं लिया? Because many a time for the एल्डर ग्रेड्स जो 8, 9, 10th में होते हैं, बहुत बार ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं कि दे आर नॉट गिविंग द ऑप्शन द. वो आपको सोच के खुद लगाना होता है कि यहाँ पे द आएगा कि नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि देन तो कंपलसरी दे हैव टू गिव बिकॉज यहाँ पे कंपैरिजन दिया ही होगा देन होगा तो. लेकिन यहाँ पे कोई देन नहीं दिया यानी कंपैरेटिव है नहीं, और यहाँ पे एन भी नहीं लिखा होगा. एन लिखा हो तो वो पॉजिटिव है. सो यहाँ पे ना ही पॉजिटिव है ना ही कंपैरेटिव है, तो बचा क्या? सुपरलेटिव. सो शी टोल्ड मी द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी. So friends, I hope that you people have understood and now you have the clear idea of what is adjective and what is the degree of comparison and how to solve it in the easiest way. So if you have liked it, do share with your friends, your colleagues, and do teach your children even in the easy tips. And if you have any kind of doubt, do comment in the comment box. and don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you so much for watching it till end.